Today I bring you T-Class W205 Symphony Ambient Light Installation Tutorial. There are 2 screws at the bottom to disassemble. After the screws are removed, take the skid plate and stuff it through this seam. Pull it out. Then lower in, pat it out, slap the door out. Pull out the handle wire and remove it. Then unplug some connecting plugs here. The 4 doors are disassembled in the same way. Unscrew the screws and pry the door panel out. Then how to disassemble this plaque. We flip to the back. Then take the one-word knives. Here's a circle of these iron clips. Then we take the one-word knives on these 2 clips. Then press down and it will come out. And it's the same here. Then after the clip is removed, we unplug it. You can take out this plaque now. After this is removed, we can see there are these solder joints in this position. We polish all these solder joints with tools. Take this whole strip off. After grinding down, remove the remaining solder joints on it. Clean it up with scissors. Then take the soldering iron, solder all the welding points back. And then you just replace the slides. It's okay to put it on after installation. Just put it back on the door panel. We put the whole panel on after we replace it and take out the handle light. Install it to the position of the handle light of the original car. Just cut the lamp holder directly in. If the original car does not have this light guide, then we'll remove this lamp case. Put the light board directly on, fix it in this position. This basic ambient light. How do the lines connect? Our module says 1 to 3 volt. For output ports, door will light this head. We plug in output port 1. The handle light is plugged into output port 3. Then 2 and 4 can be vacated. And you pull out this male and female thread. It says left front door cable. Then there is a central control cable written here. Let's remove this black plug from here. And you run this thread through here to the plug here. Connect pins of the same color, then connect here. Pull it all the way to the central control. It says here, left front door connected. Be sure to distinguish. Pull it directly from here to the central control. With a one-word knife, pry this down. Then pull the plug out. After decomposition, there's a buckle here. Press down with a knife. After pushing it, you can push it inside. Then here, pull the hose out. There are 6 clips. Let's break it down. Better find the one-word knives. Bolt on the side. When we're done with this, find the thread. Find an auxiliary threading line. Go through here. Tie the thread to the top. Take this red clip out for him. Like what? We're going to take these 4 stitches here. So we have 4 pins here. When plugging it in, you need to remember which color is inserted in the number of holes. Check it after plugging it in, and then put this back on. It will be like this after loading. Then connect another plug. Pull this black hose out. Push this down. You can take the plug out. If you can't pull it up, you lift up this rubber. cut this cable tie off. Cut the cable ties. Then pull the plug out. Senpai, disassemble this wire in place. Run the thread through the car. Then by the stitches. After disassembling the plug, we plug in the 4 holes here. Don't get the order of plugging in the wires wrong. This side must be symmetrical with the plug just now. Put it back and push it up. Find the cable tie here. Or just tie it with tape. Be careful when reloading. This clip should be on it. Tuck the bottom in first. Come in first at the bottom, then enter the top. Push up hard. Then restore the hole. On the left front door light. After pulling to the central control, how do I connect it? On this set of socket lights, it's got a 1 on the head, 4 from here to both sides. This corner lamp, left front, 1 right front, one on the left and 1 on the right. Then there are 2 plugs here. Then connect this plug with the socket light plug. The power supply has been given to the socket light. There's 1 more head here. Connect with the wires of the 6 lamp holders of the central control. The central control light cable is written on it. The central control light cable is connected to this plug. The line of the foot socket lights and saddle lights in the car. Connection completed. The next to rear corner nest lights. Transfer the front socket lights. How to remove the central control saddle. First, use a skid plate to pry this trim out. Put the skid in. Then after loosening, stuff these 2 clips in. These 2 buckles are pushed inside, otherwise it will hook this plaque. Remove these 2 screws. After the screw is screwed off, lift it up. Take this out, then unplug the connecting plug below. After unplugging, this central control can be taken out. After this light bar is installed, we fix this lamp holder. And here are the 2 lamp holders, and there's a lamp holder. There will be an extra lamp holder here. We inserted it into the storage box. Central armrest storage box. Then reinstall the central control. Restore the original car plug first. Take out these 2 extra amp holders we have. The lamp head is stuck in this position. And then there's another lamp holder stuck here. One card here, okay. Now we have these 2 more lines. It is inserted into the 2 white bars of the saddle. Let's plug all the plugs of the original car into place first. We put the wire in place. Don't hit the line. Stuff it in. Then install the screws and it's okay. The central control line is connected like this. After we connect the zipper light to the windboard, our head power cord is connected to the gated control 3 plug. We plug the power cord here. This group goes to the car. This set of wires connecting the socket lights. It is also connected with our set of lines of door panel lights. Then we restore all the plugs and it's okay. Okay, our basic ambient light. Plug the handle light into output port 3. Then plug the door panel light into output port 1. Then to infra, don't worry about it. Then connect the power plug. Transfer gate, control 3 plug. Then we will complete the connection like this. Just restore the line.